Life, at times, can cast shadows that leave us feeling broken, as if the symphony of our existence has fallen into disarray. In these moments of fragility, it's crucial to recognize that within the fractures lies the potential for a remarkable mosaic of resilience and strength. In the tapestry of life, challenges are threads woven into the very fabric of our existence. When you find yourself in the depths of despair, feeling broken and weathered, remember this: adversity is not the end, but a transformative interlude in the beautiful composition of your journey. Acknowledge the fractures, but do not let them define you. Instead, view each crack as an opportunity for the light within you to shine through. Adversity does not diminish your worth. It is a testament to your ability to endure, adapt, and emerge stronger. When the symphony of your dreams seems muffled by the echoes of setbacks, understand that even in brokenness, there is a melody waiting to be discovered. Embrace the silence as a prelude to a triumphant crescendo, a reminder that the most exquisite music often emerges from the stillness. Surround yourself with a supportive ensemble, those whose harmonies resonate with your struggles and amplify your courage. The journey may seem solitary, but the echoes of encouragement from those who understand the cadence of your pain can help mend the broken notes into a beautiful harmony. In moments of solitude, reflect on the resilience within you. Your strength is not determined by the absence of cracks, but by the fortitude with which you navigate the fractures. Each broken piece is an opportunity for renewal, a chance to reconstruct yourself into a more resilient, more authentic version. The healing process is not linear. It is a symphony of progress and setbacks. Embrace the journey, for within the broken notes lies the promise of a unique and extraordinary composition. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, you have the power to transform your brokenness into a narrative of triumph. So, when you feel broken, remember that you are not alone in the orchestra of life. Reach out to those who understand the language of pain, and let their empathy become the soothing melody that accompanies you on your journey of healing. Stand in the spotlight of your resilience, for even in brokenness, you are a masterpiece in the making. The scars you carry are not blemishes, but brush strokes that add depth and character to the canvas of your life. Embrace your broken pieces, for they are the fragments that will lead you to a more profound understanding of your own strength. When you feel broken, allow yourself the grace to heal. You are not defined by your wounds, but by the unwavering courage with which you rise above them. Your symphony is still playing, and within the broken notes lies the promise of a crescendo that will resonate with the triumphant spirit within you.